Welcome to Woggle Guides. In this episode, we're going to look at 3 ways to recover your Gmail password. So let's get straight into it.
So we've all experienced this problem where we try to get into Google or Gmail, we put in our password, and then Google will tell us that the password's wrong. Maybe because we've typed it in wrong or we can't quite remember it. So always retry your password just to make sure you don't know it. And if you're confident that you can't remember it, then the forgotten password process is your best friend. So let's get straight into the first method by which Google allows you to reset your password. And we do that by clicking on Forgot Password.
So first up, we can try and use an old password.
So Google allows you to use any of your historical passwords just to verify that it's you that's trying to access the account. So if I enter in one of the passwords I've used some time ago on this account, you'll see the process is pretty straightforward. Google sends a verification code to your recovery email address. Now, this is the email address that you've been prompted to set up when you first created the Gmail account. If you haven't set this up, then you can't use this process, unfortunately. If I click send, that'll then send a verification code to my separate email address. A screenshot just to the side there shows what that looks like. And then if I type in that very number and click next, we're then asked to set up a new password. So I'm going to just add in a new password. All the usual rules apply, just in terms of symbols, letters, numbers. And now Google, as you see, is taking us back to the security checkup page. If you click continue on that, and we can go to Gmail just from this link here, or you can navigate and log in now using your new password. You'll see that you've got a couple of emails in there quickly. The first says your account was recovered successfully, and the second one just says that the password has been changed.
So next method is using your telephone number.
So Google offers you 2 ways in which you can use your mobile phone device to reset your access to Gmail Google. First of these is a call. If you click on this option, what happens is Google will send you an automated call with instructions on how to reset your password. I'm going to demonstrate the text method as this is used more commonly, however. So if I click on text, what happens is a verification code is sent to the mobile phone that you originally used to set up your account. So if I enter the number that was sent and click next, so now we're asked to put in a new password. Now, as always, this needs to follow the criteria shown on the right, and it needs to be entirely unique. So don't enter a password that you've previously used. So let's see if that's accepted. It is, and as you can see, if you click on continue to Gmail at the bottom of this page, that'll take you into your Gmail account. And you see we've received a couple of emails, one to confirm the account was recovered successfully using the mobile device, and another to confirm that the password was changed.
And the third method is to enter an alternative email.
So this final method is perhaps the most straightforward. All Google asks you to do is to provide an alternative email address at which they will contact you to verify that the account is yours. So to complete this, all you need to do is enter in your alternative email address that you do have access to, click next, and Google will contact you shortly. Hope you found this Woggle guide useful. If you have, please like or subscribe below.